Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sylvia Bianti. I'm from the Office Administration class 21A with the last three digit number 019. Here I will present about the role of secretary in managing meeting in the office. What is a meeting? Meeting is a form of taking process together, holding a meeting to discuss an issue that conquering common interests. In a meeting, there is a communication process which are face-to-face directly and attended by groups of people to discuss or resolve problems. Group of people, they share information and work to achieve common goals. So the meeting is a form of communication attended by several people to talk about and solve specific problems. Through meeting, various problems can be solved and various policy company can be formulated. Meeting will run smoothly if managed properly. One of the secretary duties is to help the leader in holding meetings. Secretarial duties relate to the meeting. Number 1, make meeting agendas. Number 2, make invitation. Number 3, prepare meetings. Number 4, take notes. Number 5, and send reports. How to prepare for a meeting? Number 1, make a meeting plan. The secretary must be able to plan meetings. In planning meetings is the sum of planning activity in general by using the 5W plus 1H method, namely A, why? Why does the meeting need to be held? B, what? What thing needs to be discussed in the meeting? C, who? Who needs to be infinited to be meeting according to with meeting materials? D, where? Where will the meeting be held? A, when? When will the meeting be held regarding the day, date, and treatment time? F, how? How will the meeting be held? Number 2, prepare administrative tools for holding meetings. Things to be prepared about the device administration related to the implementation of the meeting are as follows. A, meeting agenda. When prepared the agenda, the secretary should consult with chairman of the meeting because the agenda of the meeting mostly comes from leader. Things to consider in making the meeting agenda are: number 1, knowing and mastering the subject matter. Number 2, knowing the time and purpose of the meeting. Number 3, knowing the condition of prospective meeting participant. Number 4, knowing the place, time, organization of the meeting. Number 5, knowing the equipment be used. Number 6, knowing the state of the meeting room. Number 7, knowing the condition of the candidate for meeting leader. Number 8, knowing the food and drink to be served. Number 9, knowing the rules of the meeting. B, meeting invitation. In reading invitation letters, skill are needs in the term pouring words. So That is the guest feedback or reaction as aspects. Also need to pay attention to how making meeting invitation, namely, number one, official meeting invitation. Invitations are made and printed as well as possible, so that invited to feel respect. Number two, informal meeting invitation. Invitations are simply made in a format has been reproduced. So just fill in the date, day, and place. C. List of attendance. There are two types of attendance lists, namely quiz box and attendance list ordinary, made on page of paper. Attendance list in front of the quiz box book is used for formal meetings. In informal meetings using attendance list only use a sheet of paper. D. Meeting equipment. Secretary needs to prepare supporting equipment. Meeting talking plates as for meeting equipment that must be prepared includes number one, stationery, number two, stapler, number three, laptop or computer, number four, whiteboard complete with marker and eraser, number five, recorder, number six, sound system, number seven, liquid crystal display or LCD, number eight, table and chairs. 3. Prepare station for consultation. If the conflict meeting takes a long enough, then the secretary must prepare the procurement consultation meeting. Meeting consultation can be in the form of snack or snack-haven meals at mealtime. Drink in the form of mineral water plates on each participant's desk in a plate that is easily accessible, and there must be an official ready to add if it is almost finished so as not to interfere with the meeting. What is the secretary's job in the meeting? The secretary in the meeting is the second most important person after the chairman. He has to be honest with the chairman. That is, he welcomes the participants' meetings, showing the meeting's participant seats and making sure that all present preparation. The job of secretary in a meeting is to prepare recording accurate and take notes. In making notes, there are several things to consider. Number one, knowing the time of the meeting matters that are not related to the time of the meeting do not need to be included. By knowing the time of the meeting, you can quickly catch things important ones that pop out and read them down quickly. Number two, good appreciating the opinions of the participants in conclusion. Concrete on the ongoing conversation, so that nothing important is missed and even things which were not discussed at the meeting. Number 4, clever and clear in choosing the right word and language logical so that it really fits the internet. Number 5, quickly find out the names of meeting participants who are present. Number 6, dare to ask if something is not clear. Number 7, be careful and orderly in storing notes so that they are easy to find whenever needed. Secretaries do this after meeting. Some people think when the meeting is over, the text is finished. Secretary duties to be done by the secretary after the meeting held are: number 1, completing on the notes that are there are still shortcomings. Record during the meeting can be played back to complete the minutes. Number 2, the minutes of the meeting are requests for approval from the chairperson of the meeting. Number 3, duplicate the minutes to be distributed to the participant who attended and those who attended unable to attend the meeting. Number 4, save notes. Number 5, send in the minutes to those who have the right to know or interest parties. Even parties we cannot attend the meeting minutes needs to be given in order to know the course of the meeting and decisions made taken. That's all from my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.